I'm just gonna make this quick, but so got my ECU back, wired in, found a few things I had to fix, and it actually runs. So like everything has, but you can see that I had an issue with. I had to wire in power to it and a ground because the TPMS, or not TPMS, the throttle position sensor, I found out was the only sensor out of this sensors that don't get power from the sensor fuse. So I had to wire that in myself and wiring the ground. So now it's accurate. It's still running. It's running rich, and it won't idle. And I'm pretty sure because I don't have an air fuel ratio gauge and I don't have the idle air control valve control wiring in, but I'll post a video of it like running on a megasquirt for a few seconds in another clip. But it's just so nice having this actually kind of work. Hopefully I'll make another video soon when I get all of that sorted out, but at least it's running. Thank you, Peter from pftuning, for helping me with this.